a secret? I'll tell you. Okay. All right. Here it is. Guys, I don't know why I felt like I had to whisper. I just did. Welcome to the channel. So if you haven't been here before, my name is Brooksconkle, and I believe we shouldn't just think outside the box, but we should completely destroy the box. I think life and business is one giant adventure, and I love for people to come and journey that on me. So I make videos on marketing, online business strategy, personal finance, and yeah, so man, if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. You can hit the bell notification so you'll get notified anytime I make new videos. And let's jump in and talk about Udemy specifically. So here's my secret strategy on Udemy. Maybe you've heard about, and let's go to it. So maybe you've heard about the company. Maybe you're not real familiar with it, but so it started about 8 years ago. These guys have been blowing up the last couple years. Let me show you some of their stats real quick. So they have 24 million students, 80,000 courses, 35,000 instructors, 150 million course enrollments, 17 million minutes of video in 50 plus languages. So I myself have like 4,000 students in over 100 countries. I don't even know exactly how many countries. I know it's over 100. So, all right. So let's talk a little bit about what my strategy is. So when I've made 2 courses now. First one was on Facebook marketing. The second one is on online marketing strategies. You can actually see both of those below if you want to check them out. My thinking was this: no one knows who I am as an instructor. How can I grow my traffic, right? How can I grow my students? A lot of instructors have, get frustrated. They make a course and then no one finds their course. You have to promote it as yourself. Udemy also will push people to your course. But here's my thinking. Why not create a course for free in order to drive traffic to it, because it being a free course? Now, myself, I'm also growing a YouTube channel. So Udemy isn't the only traffic source I'm looking. I see everything as like a giant web, right? So my thinking was this: I created the first course for free. When I hit 1,000 students, I allowed 1,000 students, and maybe it was 750, but 1,000 students to take the course at no charge before I turned it into a paid course. So Udemy will allow you to go from a free course to a paid course. You just can't switch back and forth. So they allow you one switch from free to paid. So now that course is a paid course. But guess what? I now have 1,000 plus students from that first course that I can communicate with through Udemy's platform. They allow me to communicate with them and give them updates. When I have another course come out, like the second course that I've created, I can do that as well. So I created my second course. I allowed for it to be free until I gained 2,000 students. So I've just hit the 2,000 student mark. Now I'm turning it into a paid course. So now it's a paid course, but I have the ability to communicate with all of those students. I can give them updates and education that I'm doing here on YouTube. I can give them updates on new Udemy courses I have coming out, or updates to that specific Udemy course. So now check this out. I now have the ability to communicate to the people that took my first course, even though they didn't pay. Now that I've made my second one paid, I can send those 1,000 students a message and say, hey, I have this course. If you're interested, check it out. I think you'd really benefit from it. And I can give them a coupon code where they can get it for $9.99. That is how Udemy instructors create exponential growth and begin creating a long-term, even passive income on Udemy. So I laugh at passive because there's something to be said about passive income and how it actually works. In fact, if I'm able to, and I remember, I'll link to another video that I did on that. But so let me say passive income, which I've never seen passive income that doesn't take a lot of work. But so as time goes on and people create multiple courses, they can build upon each other and then really see some future growth and success after creating multiple courses, where maybe the first ones they really don't make money or make a lot of money, or it starts trickling in. So that is my Udemy course strategy. You're free to copy it if you'd like. I've only made 2 courses, so I'll have to tell you after I have, say, my 5th course out, 5th course out, how that strategy works for me. I will keep you updated. If you have any strategies and you've taught a course or you're thinking about teaching a course, I'd love to hear from you and what your thoughts are. Comment down below. I'll be in touch and I'll communicate with you. And yeah, really pumped. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video and discussing more with you. Get out there and destroy the box. Take care.